You
Mhm.
know? It's totally different. Like I would like fully rip like the 390.
Yeah.
And it wouldn't go very far.
Okay.
Like it would try its best.
Yeah.
But this one, like it's such a difference.
Like,
that
yeah.
you're, like not expecting it.
Yeah. All right, let's see what she sounds like.
It's loud.
Sloan? Yeah. Yeah. She's ready to bite. She's growling at you. Wow. Excellent. Mine doesn't sound as good as yours though, but still.
My poor little TTM like sounded like something was leaf blowing.
You're like, I'm coming through. Wee. Yeah.
Now I'm like,
Let's go. Yeah, and they're like, oh shit. Now they're moving with urgency, like dang. And then they see you on it, they're like, oh shit, okay. Yeah.